On the dais and off the dais, member of Board of Governors, trustees, invited guests, executive deans, directors, deans, principals, and heads of various institutes, university officials, faculty colleagues, and students of Ganpat University on this auspicious day of Vidya Samaj Utkarsh Divas. This day is celebrated across India as a National Youth Day, Rashtriya Yuva Divas, as declared by Government of India as Swami Vivekananda's birth anniversary. At the same time, the embodiment of ideals of Swami Vivekananda, the ideal of all of us, who is the reason because of whom we are here today on this beautiful campus, the founder, the promoter, the motivator, and Honorable President and Patron-in-Chief of Ganpat University, Shri Ganpat Bhai Patel, today is his birthday. On behalf of entire Ganpat University family, we wish him a very happy and healthy years to come. Happy birthday, our beloved Dada. We are blessed with the presence of Dada and Dadi on the dais. On behalf of all of us, I request Dr. Mahendra Sharma sir, Dr. Amit Patel sir, and Dr. R.K. Patel sir to welcome Dada and Dadi by offering a bouquet and memento. Please, sir.
See, the cake you would eat and forget. This one I can have it forever. Right? So this is called, you have a cake and eat it too. You know, if you ate the cake, you don't have it. Right? So this is why there is a saying called, you have a cake and you can eat it too. That means even after you ate, you have it. This is what it is. Thank you.
Sir, please wait for a minute. There is one more.
One more cake? Oh, wow. Oh, this is wonderful. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Rajan bhai, Harish bhai, Pancholi sahib, Satyan bhai.
How more is merrier, right? We will take them to US and hang them with the pride. You are our brother. Colonel Sahab, please. Wait for a second, please. I think you have it.
No, I'm holding it. Don't
Hold it like that? Okay. Yes. Hold it like that. Thank you all.
Thank you all. We are elated to have Dr. Mahendra Sharma sir, Honorable Pro-Chancellor and Director General Ganpat University on the dais. We welcome you, sir. We are also honored by the online presence of Honorable Member of Board of Governors, Ganpat University, and Honorable Trustee. We welcome you all online, sir. We have with us Dr. Amit Patel, sir, Pro-Vice Chancellor and Executive Registrar, Ganpat University. Dr. R.K. Patel, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Ganpat University, on the dais. Welcome, sir.
We are honoured by the presence of Honourable Pro-Chancellor and Director General of Ganpat University, Dr. Mahendra Sharma sir, with us. I would like to request Dr. Mahendra Sharma sir to please give the welcome address. Please, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Respected
Honorable Patron-in-Chief and President of the University, our beloved Dada, Shri Ganpat Bhai Patel, respected members of Board of Governors, Honorable Trustees, Pro Vice Chancellors, Dr. Amit Patel, Dr. R.K. Patel, our Executive Deans, Principals, invited guests, all who are present online, the members of the organizing committee, staff members, and dear students. With their students also, DG Awards are also there, so they are there online. Today is a special day, both for our country and for us at Guni family. While we as a nation, we are celebrating National Youth Day on the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda ji, we are equally blessed by the birthday of our beloved Dada, the Patron-in-Chief and President, Shri Ganpat Bhai Patel. Dada in many ways emulate and lives the preachings and philosophy of Swami Vivekananda ji. He intends to create a value-based cultural human beings who shall be asset to the humanity and nation in particular. In 1984, Government of India declared 12th of January as National Youth Day on the birth anniversary of Swamiji, and activities are organized to spread the preachings of Swamiji and also to celebrate the spirit of youth. India is a young nation and youth is its currency. Universities are the vehicles for shaping and molding the youth of the country. At Guni, our methods and approaches are designed to evolve youth with values that make them conscious of their responsibilities and make them accountable for their behavior. In the words of People's President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, educationalists should build the capacities of the spirit of inquiry, creativity, entrepreneurial and moral leadership among students and become their role model. Last evening, Dada was telling me exactly the same thing. He talked about moral leadership and he talked about becoming a role model. Thank you, Dada. You are giving us the same direction. Today, we have two events on this occasion. We understand that there are COVID protocols given by the government, and to ensure the safety of everyone, we have carefully blended the online and offline parts following the standard operating procedures given by the government and as defined by the university COVID team. What we are witnessing today morning is we are recognizing and celebrating the capacity and contribution of our staff under President Award and the student and their contribution under Director General Award. Having said so, while we are here and we will be receiving those who have been identified, 41 awards under Presidential Award category will be given, and there are 88 recipients of the award. It reminds me that when Dada gave this vision of recognizing the effort and the capacity of our colleagues in the university who are putting their best foot forward in order to show their prowess both intellectually as well as in domains which is taking the university forward in its holistic development as well as achievement of objectives. I feel it is apt time to go back to Ganpat University Act and to look at some clauses. I was referring to one clause, 31, and it said, every officer, teacher, and other employees of the university shall be deemed to be a public servant under the meaning of Section 21 of IPC. It means we are bound by the duties and functions connected with such appointments of work which we have been assigned and for which we have been selected. When we say we are public servant, let's look at government. In government, the whole structure cannot work if there is no discipline. there is a triangle structure. If the people working in the structure, they keep jumping the ranks, what would happen? Imagine the whole country, a huge country like Republic of India with 130 crore population, governed by 5,000 IAS officers. It's the strict conduct of discipline and moral discipline which has ensured that we are progressing and we remain intact. It is important that each one of us understand that we have been given a specific role, responsibility, and there are expectations on our shoulders. And we have to live by those expectations. You may have your aspirations, but your aspirations be blended with that of the organization, and success is bound to come. But important is the discipline that we maintain. The second clause which I looked at was clause 5.1, and it said, university is open to all, irrespective of sex, religion, class, creed, political opinion, or any other opinion. We are holistic in nature. We are for everyone. This university is a national asset. This belongs to the people of India. Once we have created, Dada has given that vision. He has given the country a vehicle of progress, a vehicle of transformation. And each one of us should, while we work, while we interact with people, with students, with external world, we try to ensure that we understand that we are working on a national mission and not on any specific mission. It's very important, and I thought it is apt that on Vidya Samajotkarsh Divas, I talk to you of these two clauses, which is very important. Having said so, I welcome you all on the celebration of Vidya Samajotkarsh Divas, and probably we are the only university in the country which has a very organized platform on 12th of January dedicated to the nation, and we have such a founder and a visionary who is giving us a roadmap that we can make not only our societies proud but our country proud. And I foresee that the day is not far that Guni family will make country proud nationally and internationally. On those notes, I welcome you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. We are moving ahead to a very much awaited segment of today's ceremony, the President's Award for Staff Excellence. The purpose of President's Awards for Staff Excellence is to recognize and reward exceptional performance and achievements that contribute to the realization of university's strategic plan. The award also aims to foster the engagement and commitment of staff and encourage staff to take pride in their work, encourage the staff members to take initiative and consciously contribute to Guni's institutional capacity as well as capability building. It also elates to ensure staff members are clear about Ganpati University's values in relation to academic and professional work. It ensures the achievement that is formally recognized and rewarded contributes to the achievement of university's strategic priorities. It defines, provides an opportunity to celebrate exceptional staff performance and achievements. May we please request dignitaries on the dais to present the award to the staff members and request Shri Ganpat Bhai Patel sir, President and Patron-in-Chief, Ganpati University, and BOG members and trustees for their blessings.
There are different categories of President Award for Staff Excellence. These awards are being given for the contribution of staff members in the year 2020. The first category of the award is Learning and Teaching. The President Award for Staff Excellence in the category of Learning and Teaching is a recognition for the contribution in advancing the quality of learning, teaching, and graduate outcomes, and is exceptional such to bring leadership quality within the students. Rupees 1 lakh is awarded to the awardee to exclusively avail for his or her further professional development. So the first awardee is There are different categories of award. The first category is learning and teaching. The other categories are early research. Then institutional capacity building and support service engagement, and few of the special awards are also to be given. Now I request Dr. Megha B. Patel, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, A.M. Patel Institute of Computer Studies, to come forward and receive the award. Let us have a big round of applause. Dr. Megha has completed 8 online courses on different research areas during 2019-2020. She has attended around 10 various workshops and seminars during 2019-2020. She has delivered expert sessions in 3 workshops during the last year. She has played a role in organizing 4 workshops on different emerging tools and research areas for students, faculties during 2019-2020. The next, I request Professor Harshad Pitroda, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, B.S. Patel Polytechnic. He has played crucial role in developing workshops, tool engineering and industrial engineering laboratories maintenance. He has organized short-term training programs on CAD. He has mentored student startups and innovative projects, SSIP for final year students. He has trained, guided and supported students as well as colleagues in routine activities, has prepared various numbers of MOOC, videos and subject materials. Dr. Mittal Dattani, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, CMSR. She has developed herself as SEBI Certified Trainer from November 2020. She has actively participated in syllabus designing of MBA Financial Services, focusing on certificates on NISM, IIBF and ADA. She has guided students of MBA Financial Services for the internship-based projects. Let us have a huge round of applause. Next, Professor Kruti Dave. She guided students' projects guided by her secured first, second and third rank in Shodh 2020. Professor Kruti Dave is Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, MUIS, Mehsana Urban Institute of Sciences. She also guided students for 3 research papers which were published by BSc level students under her guidance. She has published 1 research paper in Journal Index in Scopus. 1 review paper of her is accepted by Journal Index in Web of Science. Congratulate ma'am. The next award goes to Professor Sulabh Bhatt, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, Institute of Computer Technology. He has completed 15 plus online certificate course from various online learning resources. He has played important role in finding solutions of multiple challenges associated with online teaching learning, like exploring various technologies for recording the exams and sessions, providing access to recorded lectures and practicals, and deciding question paper format. Thank you. The next award goes to Professor Dhruv Panchal, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, Institute of Technology. He has achieved the certification exam for mechanical design at associate level of SolidWorks software on December 2019. He has delivered sessions for 3 days workshop on essential training of SolidWorks and many more. The next award goes to Professor Vivek Patwa, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, Institute of Architecture. He has done research projects like advanced concrete mix design and structure design in high-rise building. He has guided 3 different MTech thesis projects. He has coordinated workshop on ferrocement at FADP Ganpat University on 2019-2020. He has published few research papers also. Congratulations. The next award goes to Professor Vishnu Patel, has guided 7 MTech students for dissertation projects, significantly contributed in curriculum revision by for BTech and MTech electrical engineering subject. Professor Vishnu Patel is Associate Professor, Ganpat University, UV Patel College of Engineering, Electrical Department. Congratulations. Professor Vishnu Patel has organized webinar and expert talk and industrial visit. He guided students to take part in various activities projects. The next award goes to Professor Tushar Shah. Professor Tushar Shah is an assistant professor at Ganpat University, UV Patel College of Engineering. He has organized hands-on workshop on Arduino workshop under GNU Tinkercad Lab. Has introduced unique competitions like Canon board competition. He has engaged students in institute-funded projects. Congratulations. The next award goes to Professor Menka Patel. She will receive the award in absentia. The next award goes to Dr. Deepthi Patel, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, SK Patel College of Pharmaceutical Education Research, and Dr. Geeta Patel, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, SK Patel College of Pharmaceutical Education Research. This award goes jointly to both of them. Dr. Deepthi Patel actively engaged in coordination of newly introduced course MSc Chemistry in Pharmaceutical Analysis, MSc Analytic Chemistry, B.Pharm course in 2019. Dr. Geeta Patel has organized Gujko sponsor seminar attended by 75 participants. Congratulate both of you. The next award goes to Ms. Parul B. Patel, Assistant Teacher, Ganpat University, A.M. Patel English Medium School. Ms. Parul has coordinated for celebration of school annual day functions, fun fair, workathon, and many more events. She has conducted Unified Council exam for subjects like math, science, and computer. Thank you. The next award goes to Mr. Pratik Prajapati, Assistant Teacher, Ganpat University, SMGPSS. Mr. Pratik has, under his guidance, 2 students participate in SVS level math science exhibition and 2 students participate in physical research laboratory science day tech science last 2 days. The next award goes to Ms. Sikha Joshi, Assistant Teacher, Ganpat University. Srimati Manjula Ben, Ganpat Bhai Patel, Sainik School for Girls. She has guided students for cultural activities, competitive exams, and various competitions. She has received Coordinator Certificate of International Olympiad Exam. Congratulations to her. With this category, now we are moving to the next category of awards. Research. President Award for Staff Excellence in the category of research is recognition for research leadership and research collaborations that strengthens research capabilities, influences research practice or advances a productive research culture within the university. Rupees 1 lakh is awarded to the awardee to exclusively avail for his or her further professional development. The first award in the Staff Excellence Research goes to Dr. Hiral R. Patel, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, Department of Computer Science. The next award goes to Dr. Preeti Patel, Associate Professor, Ganpat University, Mehsana Urban Institute of Sciences. Dr. Preeti Patel has published 2 books named Experiment in Microbiology, Fermentation and Bioprocess Technology in Scholar Press. Congratulations, ma'am. The next award goes to Dr. Rakesh P. Patel, Professor, Ganpat University, SKPCPR. Sir has published a book chapter on Pear's Patch, Targeted Drug Delivery for Therapeutic Benefits, and many more publications in his docket. Thank you. Congratulations. Professor Amit Suthar. The next award goes to Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, A.M. Patel Institute of Computer Science. Sir, Professor Amit has published book named Principle of Cyber Security, got published in Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University, Ahmedabad, and many more. Congratulations. With this, we are moving to the next category of award, that is Early Career Researcher. President Award for Staff Excellence in category of Research. Early Career Researcher is a recognition for contribution in research at early stage of career in form of publications in quality peer-reviewed journals, sponsored research projects, and consultancy. The first award goes to Dr. Vijay Patel, V.D. Patel, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, UV Patel College of Engineering. Professor Vijay has developed COVID-19 robot nurse and drone were developed by a group of students under his mentorship. The next award goes to Professor Romi Patel, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, Institute of Technology. Professor Romi has 2 research papers was published in Scopus and UGC Care Journal. He has written 2 books and got published in Lambert Academic Publication. The next award, Professor Kunal Modi, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, Mehsana Urban Institute of Sciences. Professor Kunal has published 5 articles in high impact journal in academic year 2019-2020. Congratulations to all the awardees and recipients. Thank you, dignitaries on the dais. We are moving to the next category of award, that is institutional capacity building. Award for the excellence in institutional capacity building is a recognition for extraordinary contribution towards institutional capacity building that adds sustainability, academic and teaching learning, growth, venturing in new operations area, image building, admission and revenue generation, fetching good projects, infrastructure development, enhancement of culture and ecosystem of institute, association with reputed industry and developing center of excellence, training executive education. The award for the institute capacity building goes to Dr. Dharmesh Thakur, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, V.M. Patel College of Management Studies. Dr. Dharmesh has played active role in MOU with ICAI Ahmedabad chapter and MOU with ICSI is under process. Congratulations, Dr. Dharmesh. The next award goes to Professor Kashyap Patel, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, DCS. We can keep clapping and encourage the recipients. The next award goes to Professor Sanjay Vanani, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, Department of Social Work. Professor Sanjay Vanani coordinating 2 core programs named Master of Social Works and Master in Public Health. He has on his own capacity developed relation with various external agencies and bodies and got converted as a partners like Manage Hyderabad and many more. Thank you. The next award goes to Professor Rahul Srimali, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, Institute of Computer Technology, ICT. Professor Rahul has a subject matter expert in the area of virtualization and cloud computing. He is AWS Academy accredited educator. He is a blog administrator of Ganpat University, ICT. Congratulations. The next award goes to Dr. Savan Patel, Associate Professor, Ganpat University, MPICS. He has been effectively coordinating BCA program with 120 students in tech. Under his continuous efforts, all academic placements, co-curriculum activities of BCA programs take place. Congratulations. The next award goes to Professor Bhaskar N. Patel, Head of the Department, Computer IT, Ganpat University, B.S. Patel Polytechnic and Ganpat University Institute of Technology. Professor Bhaskar has 2 prime departments of both the institute with highest intake capacity of 360 students, and many more laurels goes to him. The next award jointly goes to Professor Satish Patel, Professor, Ganpat University, SKP CPER, and Dr. Bhupendra Prajapati, Professor, Ganpat University, SKP CPER. Congratulations to both of you. The next award also jointly goes to Professor Nehal Rami and Dr. Keyur Bhatt. Professor Nehal Rami and Dr. Keyur Bhatt, both of them. Professor Nehal Rami is an Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, Mehsana Urban Institute of Sciences, and Dr. Keyur Bhatt is an Associate Professor, Ganpat University, Mehsana Urban Institute of Sciences. Professor Nehal Rami played active role as an Institute NEC, NIRF, GSIRF, India Today Outlook Coordinator, and Dr. Keyur played active role as a coordinator for Imports, Research and SSIP. Congratulations, both of you. Now we are moving to the next category of awards, Support Services and Engagement. President Award for Staff Excellence in the category of Support Services and Engagement is a recognition for extraordinary work done by the staff in serving students' community by creating innovative systems, services and processes and engaging them in the area of intellectual, social, economical and cultural issues of importance that builds capacity and communities and the universities. The first award in the category of Support Services Engagement goes to Dr. Vishal Acharya, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, DMP CMS. Dr. Vishal has published 2 research papers in Scopus listed journals and worked as a rating and ranking coordinator for represent Ganpat University. Professor Ravindra Agrawal, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, CHAS, Center for Health and Advanced Studies. Sir is President, Food Technology Department. CHAS as a delegate in the Labotica Seminar on Latest Lab Technologies, November 2019. Congratulations, sir. The next award goes to Dr. Yashpal Jadeja, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, CMSR. Sir has been effectively looking after feedback collection and data analytics for academic activities and all seminar workshops and conferences. Sir has contributed designing syllabus of logistics, supply chain and operation related to subjects. Congratulations, sir. The next award goes to Ms. Bela Patel, Assistant Teacher, Ganpat University, Srimati Manjula Ben Ganpat Bhai Patel, Sainik School for Girls. She has participated in Atal Unbox Tinkering online teachers training program for 12 days and get certified. She has participated in Gujko sponsor online 2 days national workshop on Python programming. Congratulations, ma'am. The next award goes to Professor Ansho Babu Christian, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University Institute of Technology. His technical expertise has been instrumental to prepare tailor-made solutions for receiving and recording large amount of documents like bulk image compression, bulk PDF, JPG converter, JPG and PDF converter, many more. The next award goes to Mr. Akshay Patel, Administrative Officer, Ganpat University Incubation Center, selected as a mentor of Change, Atal Innovation Mission, Government of India, manage operations of many startups mentored and funded by Ganpat Preservation Private Limited. Congratulations. The next award goes to Mr. Pratik Patel, Office Superintendent, Ganpat University. I request all to keep clapping for the recipients. Mr. Pratik has a strong liaison with various offices at Government of Gujarat, Government of India for important projects of Ganpat University. The next award goes to Professor Aniket Patel, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, Institute of Computer Technology. He is subject matter expert in artificial intelligence and data mining. He was a coordinator for IEEE Spark 2020. He has organized a workshop on virtual lab. He has delivered expert session IBM Boston Studio. The next award jointly goes to Professor Jignesh Chauhan, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, MPIX, and Professor Ravi S. Patel, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, MPIX. Professor Jignesh Chauhan, his outstanding performance in training and placement has resulted into final placement of students at good number of reputed institutes. And Professor Ravi S. Patel has successfully coordinated national level technical event Manthan 2022 and 200 digital marketing and SEO. Congratulations to both of them. The next award also jointly goes to Mr. Rupesh Patel, Office Superintendent, Ganpat University, SKPC PER, and Mr. Deepak Patel, Junior Clerk, Ganpat University, SKPC PER. They have been excellent in preparing and maintaining all the documents related to compliance and internal processes. Congratulations to both of you. Now moving to the next awards, the President Award for Staff Excellence Support Services. Team Guni, a joint team award goes to a joint team. I would like to invite all the team members, Dr. L.J. Patel, Controller of Examiner, Ganpat University, Mr. Jasmine Patel, Assistant Registrar, Ganpat University Examination, Mr. Jigar Rawal, Junior Clerk, Ganpat University Examination, Dr. Jigna Prajapati, Assistant Professor, Ganpat University, MPIX, Mr. Mitesh Patel, Computer Programmer, Ganpat University Examination, Mr. Yogina Patel, Junior Clerk, Ganpat University Examination, and it is evident to remember late Sri Kirtibhai Patel, Junior Clerk, Ganpat University Examination. This award jointly goes to the team has successfully implemented online application provision for all type of student services like transcript, document verification, WES, IQAS, CES, PEDC and provisional degree certificate system is such a developed that required documents made available at any corner of the world in shortest possible time. Let us have a huge round of applause. During COVID-19 pandemic lockdown period, arrangements were made such that the result required all the students' services were made available with the available resources in shortest possible time. Congratulate to the entire exam team, Ganpat University exam team. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. Heartiest congratulations. For the next round round of support services and engagement. We have Dr. Anand Mankodia, Associate Professor, Professor Dhaval Soni, Assistant Professor, Professor Ravi Patel, Assistant Professor, Dr. Amrut Patel, Associate Professor, Professor Bhumit Patel, Assistant Professor, Professor Yogesh Patel, Professor Vaishali Patel, Mr. Chirag Patel, Mr. Anil Patel, Professor Mihir Patel, and Vinod Gopi. They have very effectively hosted and licensed various programs conducted by Ganpat University during the year of 2019-20. They have been extending themselves successfully for data gathering, data analysis, data presenting to participate in various ratings, rankings, and assessment activities. They have provided effective student support during COVID-19 pandemic for submitting scholarship, education loans, higher study application within the time frame. I congratulate all. Let us have a huge round of applause. Thank you so much. We can have a huge round of applause. We next move towards the category change, towards special recognition.
The next category in the special recognition, the President Award for the special recognition is awarded for outstanding contribution by the employees for institutional capacity building. Rupees 1,50,000 is awarded to the awardees to exclusively avail for his or her further professional development. The first award in the category of special recognition goes to Professor Remy Mitra, Chairperson, Ganpat University, Center for Entrepreneurship. Ma'am has created cordial relations and explored partnership opportunities with ecosystem enablers including government bodies like CED, GOG, MSME DI, Ahmedabad, Mehsana Gandhinagar, MSME FC, Incubation Center with SSIP support, EDII, and many more. Congratulations, ma'am. The next President Award in the special recognition jointly goes to a team of transport services. A team of transport services for outstanding support in transportation services during COVID-19 second wave. Mr. Manoj H. Patel, Office Superintendent, Mr. Satish R. Patel, Driver cum Supervisor, Mr. Aswin J. Patel, Driver cum Supervisor, Mr. Gandabhai S. Patel, Driver, Mr. Vipin M. Thakur, Driver, Mr. Dilip Baghela, Driver, Mr. Manuji Thakur, Driver, Mr. Shamir Modi, Driver, Mr. Naresh Patel, Driver, Mr. Yogesh Patel, Driver, Mr. Vishnuji Thakur, Driver, Mr. Jagdish Goswami, Driver, Mr. Raju Rawal, Conductor, Mr. Arjun Rawal, Conductor. This team of transport services have significantly contributed in transportation services during COVID-19 wave. Let us have a huge round of applause for them. Thank you. आप सबको खूब आभार. Moving to the next category of awards, Manager of the Year Award. President Award for Manager of the Year. The next award in this team, special recognition, a team COVID Care Center for outstanding contribution by providing medical support services to the communities and campus residing during COVID-19 second wave. It's a joint award. The team members, Dr. Kirit Parikh, Resident Medical Officer, Mr. Amit B. Patel, Deputy Registrar, Ms. Pratiksha Solanki, Nurse, Ms. Naishi Patel, Nurse, Mr. Chirag Trivedi, Assistant Nursing Superintendent, Mr. Riddhi Rawal, Nurse, Ms. Hitiksha Patel, Nurse, Mr. Amit Makwana, Coordinator Societal Activities Cell, Mr. Shailesh Patel, Compounder, Mr. Harshal Purohit, Assistant Professor, Professor Haresh A. Patel, Assistant Professor, Mr. Ashok D. Patel, Computer Assistant, Mr. Bharat Patel, Laboratory Assistant, Mr. Dinesh Patel, Storekeeper, Mr. Manish Patel, Laboratory Assistant. All these team members have significantly, outstandingly contributed for medical support services to the communities and campus residents during COVID-19 second wave. We wholeheartedly congratulate all the team members for providing the support. Thank you all. The next category of the award is Manager of the Year Award. The President Award for Manager of the Year is presented to recognize contribution of senior brass of the university, principal and above post, based on their extraordinary performance in the area of institutional capacity building. The next award is a Manager of the Year Award. The President Award for the Manager of the Year is presented to recognize contribution of senior brass of the university, principal and above post, based on their extraordinary performance in the area of institutional capacity building, excellency in teaching and learning, creating enabling culture, excellent admission and placement, sustainable growth and innovative initiative which does place the institute in premium category of the education. Professor Kalpesh Patel, Principal, Ganpat University, B.S. Patel Polytechnic, Ganpat University, Institute of Technology. He is receiving this award, the Manager of the Year Award 2020. Spearhead of Food Institute, Ganpat University, B.S. Patel and Ganpat University, Institute of Technology with large volume of staff and students. Commencement of 2 new courses, Biomedical Engineering and Information and Technology. Establishment of Artisan Training Center in association with BOSE, and many more recognition goes to him. We once again congratulate all the recipients of the President Award 2020. Many congratulations to all of them. Thank you very much.
There are 2 special awards which are not in the list, and I beg a pardon for on behalf of the team because we missed out to list those 2 names. One is Dr. Professor Saurabh Dave for his outstanding contribution for supporting startup ecosystem, and so their certificates and everything we will give them later. Second one, that is Colonel Nambiar and his team of entire security system who has played a significant role during COVID-19 issues. So Colonel Saab is also has contributed greatly. His support was outstanding. I know he faced a lot of difficult time. However, he has maintained help us keeping campus safe. Thank you.
Heartiest congratulations and a huge round of applause. Thank you so much. Now it is time to felicitate the students with the Director General Awards. The DG medals will be awarded to the outstanding students who have achieved a high level of academic performance and scholarly work, as well as significantly contributed to the discipline, institute, university, and service to the community. DG medals are awarded in recognition of academic excellence together with exceptional achievements in research, sports, innovation, entrepreneurship, startups, and community services.
Director General Award for the Students Achievement 2020. There is a PPT presentation. I request all the dignitaries to kindly take their seats. Following the COVID-19 protocol and Government of Gujarat guideline, the students will receive the award in absentia. They will receive the award online. The students have joined online. The first award, DG Award for Students Achievements, goes to Mr. Piyush Ramchandani. MCA 6th semester, AM Patel Institute of Computer Studies. Let us have a big round of applause for us. Mr. Patel Aryan Chetan Kumar, Electrical Engineering 6th semester, BS Patel Polytechnic. Mr. Jeet Suthar, Mechanical Engineering 6th semester, BS Patel Polytechnic. Mr. Smith Savalia, Automobile Engineering 6th semester, BS Patel Polytechnic. It is worthy to note over here that their achievements are presented during online in the PPT format. Mr. Faldu Shyam Kumar Rajendra Bhai, Automobile Engineering 6th semester, BS Patel Polytechnic. We keep clapping and encouraging the students. Mr. Dhamya Dharmesh Kumar Trivedi, Automobile Engineering 6th semester, BS Patel Polytechnic. Mr. Unnat Shailesh Bhai Patel, Automobile Engineering 6th semester, BS Patel Polytechnic. Mr. Chaudhary Vilas Soma Bhai, Electrical Engineering 6th semester, BS Patel Polytechnic. Ms. Jheni Manoj Bhai Patel, BSc second year, Department of Food Technology, Institute of Center for Health and Applied Sciences. Ms. Arzina Karim, MBA International Business, Batch 2018-2020, Class Rank 2nd, Center for Management Studies and Research. Mr. Dolar Patel, MSc CA and IT 4th semester, Department of Computer Science. Mr. Abhishek Bhatt, DD BCA MCA Cybersecurity 6th semester, Department of Computer Science. Mr. Shailesh Kumar, MSc Cybersecurity 4th semester, Department of Computer Science. Ms. Priyanka Babubhai Prajapati, Master of Social Work, Semester 4th, Ganpat University, Department of Social Work. Vikas Sharma, Computer Science 6th, as on date of application last year, Institute of Computer Technology. Mr. Akash Prannath, Bachelor of Architecture, Semester 8th, Faculty of Architecture, Design and Planning. Mr. Deepak Kumar Jayeshbhai Patel, Petrochemical Technology, 6th semester, Institute of Technology. Mr. Yash Vijaybhai Darji, Petrochemical Technology, 6th semester, Institute of Technology. Mr. Divya Manish Bhai Patel, Petrochemical Technology, 6th semester, Institute of Technology. Mr. Parth Pankaj Bhai Darji, BSc Biotechnology, Semester 6th, Mehsana Urban Institute of Sciences. Ms. Anamika Ranjan, Branch Biotechnology, Semester 6th, Mehsana Urban Institute of Sciences. Mr. Bhavik Kumar Vishnubhai Prajapati, Organic Chemistry, 4th semester, Institute, Mehsana Urban Institute of Sciences. Ms. Sekhawat Krishna Rajendra Singh Sekhawat, BSc Organic Chemistry, 4th semester, Mehsana Urban Institute of Sciences. Sharma Bharat Kumar, MSc Biotechnology, 4th semester, Mehsana Urban Institute of Sciences. Ms. Shruti Shubhangini, MSc Biotechnology, 4th semester, Mehsana Urban Institute of Sciences. Ms. Payal Rajendra Giri Goswami, Organic Chemistry, 4th semester, Mehsana Urban Institute of Sciences. Ms. Anjali Hasmukh Bhai Parmar, Microbiology, 6th semester, Mehsana Urban Institute of Sciences. Ms. Divya Hasmukh Bhai Mori, BSc Microbiology, 6th semester, Mehsana Urban Institute of Sciences. We congratulate all the students, recipient who are receiving the awards, DG awards on this day. Ms. Khushbu Mehul Kumar Patel, Microbiology, 4th semester, Mehsana Urban Institute of Sciences. Ms. Feni Gandhi, Biotechnology, 6th semester, Mehsana Urban Institute of Sciences. Ms. Kinnari Malani, Chetan Bhai, Srimati Standard 10th, Srimati M.G. Patel Sainik School for Girls for receiving the award. Ms. Prachi Bindesh Kumar Sharma, 8th standard, Srimati M.G. Patel Sainik School for Girls. Ms. Kalindi Preyash Mewada, 10th standard, Srimati M.G. Patel Sainik School for Girls. Mr. Dhruv Kalsaria, Mr. Pavitra Dhruv Kalsaria, sorry for the mistake, Mr. Pavitra Dhruv Kalsaria, 7th standard, Srimati Miss Pavitra Dhruv Kalsaria, 7th standard, Srimati M.G. Patel Sainik School for Girls. Miss Tanha Gajjar, standard 10th, Srimati M.G. Patel Sainik School for Girls. Miss Moksha K. Upadhyay, 6th standard, Srimati M.G. Patel Sainik School for Girls. Miss Bansi Chavda, 10th standard, Srimati M.G. Patel Sainik School for Girls. Miss Astha Jaideep Singh Chavda, 9th standard, Srimati M.G. Patel Sainik School for Girls. Miss Jhanvi Jatin Bhai Patel, 9th standard, Srimati M.G. Patel Sainik School for Girls. Smart Heer Mihir Bhai, Srimati M.G. Patel Sainik School for Girls, standard 9th. Kesar Chaklasia, standard 9th, Srimati M.G. Patel Sainik School for Girls. Hema Ashish Kumar Chokshi, Bachelor of Pharmacy, 8th semester, Sri S.K. Patel College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research.
Let us have a huge round of applause for all the students who have been awarded today with the Director General Award. Harshini Dey, Semester 6, S.K. Patel College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. Mr. Yash Arvind Kumar Patel, Semester 8, B Pharma. Mr. Mahika Vipulbhai Kumar Shukla, Semester 4, S.K. Patel Pharmaceutical Research. Rishi Nailesh Patel, B.Tech Engineering, 8th semester, UV Patel of Engineering. Arohi Darshak Kapadia, B.Tech, 6th semester, UV-PCE. Desai Utsav Yogesh, B.Tech, 8th semester, UV-PCE. Patel Shrey Vikram Kumar, B.Tech, 8th semester, UV-PCE. Patadia Ravi Kumar, 8th semester, UV Patel College of Engineering. Parth Jain, B.Tech, Mechatronics, 8th semester, UV Patel College of Engineering. Vivek Vora, B.Tech, 8th semester, UV Patel College of Engineering. Avadh Vanparia, B.Tech, 8th semester, UV Patel College of Engineering. Yashang Parmar, B.Tech, Mechatronics, 8th semester. Matish Vyas, B.Tech, 8th semester, UV Patel College of Engineering. Chotia Yogesh Manoj, B.Tech Mechatronics, 6th semester. Parth Sanjay Saxena, BBA General, 6th semester, VMP CMS. Raj Jignesh Amritya, MBA Finance, semester 4, VM Patel College of Management.
Once again, congratulate to all the award recipients, the students, the Director General Awards for Students' Achievements 2020. All the students, all the recipients, very congratulate to all of them.
We are elated by presence of Honorable President and Patron-in-Chief, Shri Ganpat Bhai Patel. I would like to request Sir for his ceremonial address. Please, Sir.
Good morning to all. Remy, you are asking me to speak, but I am speechless. Good morning to dear all. I am overwhelmed. What a performance you guys are putting up. What are values you are living by. You are recognizing COVID team. You are recognizing our drivers who has risked their life to save others. I remember when I first joined Cal Poly Pomona, the university in America. I was a janitor. My boss used to come to me and he used to tell me that you have a job of a lifetime. We're going to keep you forever because you are doing such a good job. So there is no job is too small. And here we are doing the same thing. We are recognizing each and every one of them for what they are contributing. My boss's name was John. I wish he was around here today. He was a great man. So are you, Dr. Sharma and Amit Bhai and everybody else. We must recognize each and every one of the employees of our institution, no matter how small the job is. I see people every day. I see the guards. I see the daycare center people. It's amazing to see their dedication and what is rubbing off our values, our Guni culture. When I was 10 years old, my dad took me to this Maharaj called Purushottam Swami. And on the Guru Purnima day, Purushottam Swami made me his shish. He put kanti on me, and then he told me what the symbol of this kanti, that the values that goes with it, that now on you should do certain things, who you are, how do you want to represent yourself, and all of that. That reminds me of our dupatta that we are all having today, Guni. I was just telling Sharma Sahib that every one of our graduates should have one of these with them for the rest of their life, so that it reminds them of our value system. We are setting ourselves apart with this value system. I think it is great. Our university has made unprecedented progress during these last 3 years. And it is also because of our values. It is a direct result of your hard work. It is no accident. Your dedication is amazing. Dadi and I want to thank you, each and every one of you, for doing what you're doing. Please keep it up. Dadi and I had been on this campus for the last 2 months. We met many students. They came, and because of COVID, they have gone back home. This time, we had a different experience with them, different feelings. What I am trying to tell you is, we are creating a culture which is different than any other culture. Tata has their culture, great culture. We have our culture. Stanford has their culture. Harvard has their culture. So, we as a family, we also have a culture. How do we do the business? How do we treat each other? How do we set in the society? How society perceives us? And what type of students, what type of alumni we want to send to the world so they can make the difference. I see all of that. And it also is your hard work, your dedication. And again, and again, and again, I want to thank you. You are doing a great job in building characters in the students. I personally have talked to many students. And I asked them, why are you here? There are so many institutions. And they all have a single answer, is we like what we see here. We like what we experience here. We like the goodness. We like the nature that we have here. You can learn a lot from nature. Everything that we have done we have learned from the nature. One amazing thing nature does is, whatever you plant, it will multiply and give you many times more, good or bad. It's up to you. What do you want to harvest? And we are on the mission to harvest the goodness. Again, keep it up. On my installation of presidency several years ago, I said few things. And the reason I'm repeating is, we should all be held accountable for what we do and what we say. So today I want to look at my profit and loss, my balance sheet. We all have a balance sheet. Few things I said on that day. The first thing I said was, we are going to transform this university into something. And you know that's what we have been doing. This university is transforming. We have transformed in the last 3 years, 4 years. And we are not done yet. This is just the beginning. So we are living up to our promises. My second promise was, keep our values intact. If you go back and listen to my speech, it's on YouTube. This was the promise. We have discovered ourselves as a Guni. At that time, I did not know that we're going to live by the word Guni. But because we had decided that we are going to have the values, today we have this dupatta. It was out of box thinking. But because we had promised, we had to do something to keep our promise. And that's what we are doing. Our students have a character. This is different. And I want to thank you again for helping me to realize these promises that I had personally made. I also say that at that time we have come a long ways, and we have a long ways to go. And we have come a long ways. We made a lot of progress. We are 4 stars from no star. We are double in size, no matter how you look at it. We have more trees. We have more greeneries. Our happiness index has grown to 4.7, 4.8. All this is our progress. And again, it is because of you. The goodness, the values are from top to bottom. They are not from bottom up. If we had it, it will filter through. So, today, on a Vidyaya Samajotkarsh Day, we are recognizing all of you for doing what you do the best. You are making this institution and me personally proud of you. I also said on that day, the reason for accepting me, the presidency of this university, I was not trying to prove anything to anybody. I simply are taking that challenge to make a difference on many, many youngsters, because I think I could. And this is what is happening with your help. Thank you again. I also want to thank my family at this point for helping me to realize our dream, my dream and your dream. Let me congratulate all of you, the one who have achieved the President and the Director General's Award. And the one are not so fortunate that did not receive, don't be disappointed. It's there every year. Start working on next year's award. You will get it. These awards are also a partly continuous improvement. It's encouragement. How you can go extra mile and improve yourself. You can be more efficient, more effective on your daily job. This is what it is all about. And it is a great initiative that we have been able to implement. This was out of the box thinking by our Director General, Dr. Sharma. He comes up with amazing ideas. And many people have ideas. Even the person who is sleeping on the footpath has ideas and dreams. But how many people implement? Director General, he implements. And this is a good example of implementation. And this is what we want to teach to our students. You go ahead and dream, but be prepared to implement. That's where the road meets to the rubber. Implementation is everything. This is what our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been telling us, that we have a big treasure is our young people. And we got to teach them how to dream. But more than that, how to implement. That's a practical living. This is what we should be all about. Is hard work, honesty, integrity, all of those things is helpful in implementing your dreams. Thank you, Dr. Sharma. I again want to thank each and every one of you to wish me happy birthday. It's not about my birthday, it's about what we do. It's not about how long we live, it's about how well we live. And how much we live for others. Because that is directly added to your own life. Gandhiji had lived thousands of years. No one asked how old he was when he died. Because he's not dead, he's still alive. Lastly, people ask me, what is your vision for this university? What is my vision? This is a single question that I am always asked. So, let me tell you what my vision is. We have all heard Tata culture, Ratan Tata. I mean, there are many, many businesses in the world. But Ratan Tata is different. He's a businessman. He also likes to make profit, money, which we all like. But he does not put profit before imandari and naitikta. And this is how he is different. So in the education field, this is what I like to see in us. I want to be Tata of the education. And more than that, we want to pour that into our students. And this is what is going to contribute for Atmanirbhar Bharat and better world for tomorrow. Because we already have a 40,000 alumni spread out all over the world. We are a big family in a small world. And we are getting bigger. And the world is not getting bigger. So we can have more and more impact. Because world is same, but we are getting bigger. And we are getting better. And again, I want to thank you for doing all of that. Thank you again. God bless you all. Keep up with the good work. Thank.
Thank you, Dada, for your inspiring words. We assure you, all of us are assuring you to follow your vision and commitment for the development of the Ganpati University. Thank you. Thank you once again. Towards the end of this ceremony, on behalf of Ganpat University, I express my deep gratitude to our beloved Ganpat Dada and Manju Dadi for his constant support and motivation. I would like to thank all the honorable members of Board of Governors and respected trustees for their valuable online presence and inspiring us. I am thankful to Dr. Mahendra Sharma sir for his constant motivation. I would like to thank Dr. Amit Patel sir, Dr. R.K. Patel sir for their cooperation as always. I would like to express my sincere thanks to all those helping hands who have played an important role in smooth execution of the program, all the executive deans, directors, deans of various faculties, principals for their tireless efforts. Towards the end, I once again congratulate all the awardees for the President Award and awardees for the DG Award. Let us have a huge round of applause for all of them. I would like to request everyone to please rise for National Anthem. Sorry.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Now we conclude the ceremony as of now. Thank you very much. Thank you for all those who have joined online. Thank you.